Hi everyone, it's Amber here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you an easy beginner-friendly version of how to play Wildflowers by Tom Petty. Now make sure your guitar is in standard tuning and we're going to be placing a capo on the 3rd fret of our guitar. So once you're all set up, let's zoom in and take a look at the chords. So before we jump in, I just have to quickly mention something before the guitar police come at me with their opinions about how I'm teaching the song. So you're going to find a lot of YouTube tutorials out there teaching the song with a capo on the 5th fret. Okay, and they're going to be using chords like F major 7, C major, and a G. Okay, now the kicker is that in order to play the song in this way, you need to keep your pinky finger anchored on the high E string in the 3rd fret for the whole song, basically. So it would sound like this. Okay, and yes, it does sound really nice, but after a minute or two, that little pinky starts to complain. It gets really uncomfortable, especially if you are just starting out to build strength with your fretting hand. So instead, I'm going to show you a much more comfortable way to play the song. So we're going to be using a capo and we're going to place it in the 3rd fret. Okay, and our chords are going to be a G major, which I like to play with 4 fingers, and I would suggest you do the same. We have D major, we have an A major, we have an E major, and the last chord we need is a B minor. And for this B minor, I would 100% encourage you to use the open B minor. So instead of playing a bar chord, you just play with your 1st finger in that 2nd fret, and then you can build out the shape. Alright, so no awkward stretches, no pinky pain. Overall, just a much more enjoyable way to play the song. So let's go ahead and check out the chorus. We have the chords up on the screen and we have G major, D major, and A major. So line 1, we're starting on a G, to the D chord, to our A chord, to the D chord. Line 2 starts out very similar. We have G, to the D, and we have A, and we stay on the A. Our 3rd line, we repeat the same as the 1st line. G, to the D, and the A, to the D chord. And then our final line of the chorus, G, to the D, to the A, and then D for 4 rounds. So the chords are really straightforward, nothing too tricky there. And a little tip here is to use your ring finger as an anchor / pivot finger. So when I'm changing from a 4-fingered G chord, okay, my ring finger is squeezing down the B string in the 3rd fret. When I change to a D, it can actually stay exactly where it is. And then when I change to an A, I'm going to just move it back by 1 fret and form my A major. And then I'm going to scooch it back into the 3rd fret for my D chord again. Right, so we have a finger here that is going to help connect those 3 chords together. So that's just my suggestion, is to utilize that connecting finger instead of having your fingers flying on and off the fretboard. Okay, so now that we have those chords for the chorus sounding pretty good, we're going to take a look at the strumming pattern. So the pattern we're going to use for the chorus and for the verse, just by the way, is going to sound like this. Down, 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 up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, up. And we're going to count this 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. And it is going to be played quite quickly. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And just take note that I'm putting emphasis on that 2nd strum. down, down. All right, that's our strong beat. We want to really hear that beat coming out. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's the second beat of the strumming pattern. So if we do it slowly, let's take a look at the first line of the chorus, where we have G to D to A, back to D. And we're going to give each chord one round of that pattern. Starting on the G, down, 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 up, we switch. A is next, and then back to D. A little bit faster, it will sound like this. So hopefully that demonstrates how important it is to use that connecting finger. Because these chord changes are happening really quickly, having a connecting finger is really helpful in making sure that you can keep up with the speed of the song. So if we play through the chorus in its entirety with the strumming pattern, let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, D, A, D chord, and G, D, A, repeat the A, G, D, A, back to the D chord, and the G, D, A, and D for 4 times. 2, 3, 4. So that is our chorus done and dusted. The next section of the song we're going to look at is the verse. So we have those chords for you, and you'll notice they're very similar to the chorus. Okay, so we have our G major to our D, our A, and our D. And that gets repeated 4 times. Okay, the verse is really quite simple. So let's give that a try with our strumming pattern. Down, 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 up, down, up. Starting on the G. 1, 2, 3, go. Run away to the A chord with the D chord. G, D to the A, all bright and D. G, the D chord, and the A to the D chord. G, D, A, and the D. And by the way, if you are enjoying this lesson and you want to continue improving your playing, I've got full step-by-step guitar courses, which is going to help you build your confidence in your chord transitions, your strumming, as well as learning how to play songs from start to finish. So if you want to find out more, then check out the link below this video, and I hope to welcome you into one of my programs. So the final section we're going to be looking at today is our bridge, and this is when things are going to get a little bit more interesting, and it definitely adds a pop to the song. So the chords are going to be up on the screen. We have a G major to a D major, B minor, which I like to play as an open chord, and then to our E major, followed by 2 A's. Okay, so that's the first line of the bridge. And you're going to notice that the G and the D are between brackets, and the B minor and the E are between brackets. And this is because they share the counts. The G is going to get the first 2 beats, and the D will get the second 2 beats, because 2 plus 2 is going to equal 4. Now this is going to be really quick. We have very quick chord changes here. All right, but just to get into the swing of things, we can do 1 down strum on each of the chords. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? And then our A major is going to get the same pattern from the rest of the song. Okay? So again, with just 1 strum. Now, that is a straightforward, easy way to play the song if you struggle to make those chord changes in time. But if you're managing and changing from G to D to B minor to E is not too tricky for you, then the strumming pattern we're going to use is going to sound like this. 1, 2, and on each of the chords. Okay, each of the chords in the brackets. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, and then A. When we look at the second line from the bridge, the G, B minor, and the two A's are going to get up the same pattern, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, so let's try that again, starting from the beginning of the bridge. Here we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4. And we repeat it again. Here we go. Right, so there we have it. We've learned our chorus, we've learned our verse, and we've learned our bridge. You have got the perfect recipe to put everything together for a full playthrough. So that will be coming up next. I'll see you there. So we're going to go for that full playthrough. Just remember to have the capo on the 3rd fret of your guitar. Get ready on that G major, and here we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wildflowers, you belong in a boat out at sea. Sail away, kill off the hours. You belong somewhere you feel free. Run away, find you a lover. Go away, somewhere all bright and new. I have seen no other who compares with you. You belong among the wildflowers. You belong in a boat out at sea. You belong your love on your arm. You belong somewhere you feel free.
So thank you so much for watching and learning with me today. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, you know the drill. Go ahead, give this lesson a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you loved this Tom Petty song, then I know you're going to love the song being suggested to you on the screen. So go check it out. And I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you in another tutorial soon. Bye.